Yo, what up? My name is Derek. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to improve your performance on Firefox. Now, this is a GitHub Better Fox, as you can see right here. There's probably other Firefox or other things you can run to improve FPS or performance even more on your browser. But I use this one. I tested this out. The performance is absolutely amazing. There's definitely a huge difference when it comes to loading sites and loading stuff. You definitely can notice a difference, and it even adds a couple other things, as you can see right here. So if you scroll down a little bit and go on this, it says Fast Fox, Secure Fox, Pesky Fox, Fox, and Smooth Fox. And it pretty much gives you a description of what each thing does. And then if you click on each of them, it actually tells you what the file is and what it changes. So you can see there's a lot of things in Secure Fox. You don't have to use every single one of them. You can essentially just remove the JSON files from the actual file. So what we want to do first is we're going to press on this code and then just download as a zip file. So I'm just going to download as a zip file here. Start the download, open it real quick. Let me extract this real quick. And what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the JSON file. And so this is what it looks like once it's extracted. You're gonna have a ton of different files here. What we're gonna use is we're gonna use the user JSON, and we're going to edit it so you can see the files that are in here. So if you ever have problems or you want to change something, you can always do that. It even tells you some of the things. If you want to use Firefox's password manager, you might want to get rid of this from inside of here because it will most likely disable that stuff. So keep that in mind, that some of the stuff you'll have to go through and actually look at for yourself to see whether or not you want a certain feature enabled or not. But if we still go in here, you can. There's also this smooth scrolling. If you don't want this, I think it's really cool. To actually enable it, so it's already disabled right here. So just to enable it, all you have to do is get rid of the slashes and the space. So just remove that part right there on every single line here, and you should be good to go. Now I already have mine imported into my folder. Now to import it into your folder, we need to go to our three lines on the top right, go to help, and then more troubleshooting information. And then inside here, we want to go to profile folder. This is what we want to do, and press on open folder. And once it's open, scroll down till you see your user JSON. You won't see this, by the way, unless you already have one imported, but you will not see this. So just import the user JSON, and then it won't work right away. You have to actually set it up inside of the actual files for your Firefox. Now, once you have your file imported into the actual folder of Firefox, what we want to do is we want to actually tell Firefox to actually use that user.json file so that whenever your Firefox boots up, it uses that file so it knows to keep those settings. So to do that, we want to go to the about config file or link here that's built into Firefox. Just type in about colon config. And then once you want to do that is you want to type in user underscore perf or preference. And then it should be set to false. All you want to do is just double click this and then it'll change to true. That's all you have to do. And every time you boot up your Firefox, it will use that user.json file and you will be good to go. And your performance should essentially be better. Now, yes, there's probably better ones out there. There's probably better JSON or user.json files. There's probably better performance things out there that I haven't talked about or haven't found. But this one I found, and I've been using it for a while, and it's actually really, really good. The performance is actually crazy. The numbers, I don't know if it's lower in Task Manager. I haven't really checked that, but I would assume so if the performance is a little bit better. But if this helped you, if this improved your performance in Firefox, let me know. Let me know also if you want to see maybe Firefox or Chrome, or not Firefox, if you want to see Brave or Chrome or any other browser, just let me know and I will see what I can do with those browsers as well. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video, like and subscribe. And if you play Fortnite, use my creator code, Derek, Derek, and peace out.